Can AI actually replace a human tutor? I put it to the test, and the results surprised me. I've always needed help when learning, like real help. Tutors, study guides, people to explain things 5 different ways until it finally clicks. If you have a learning disability or you're neurodivergent like me, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Reading dense material? Forget it. Watching someone explain it with visuals and real talk? Yes, please. That's how my brain works. So when I found a completely free online course on AI ethics from the University of Helsinki, I was excited, but also nervous. Because this course, it was all text. No videos, no images, just paragraphs on paragraphs of very academic content. And if I'm being honest, it felt like the course wasn't made for someone like me. But I really wanted to complete this course. I wanted to prove to myself that I could finish something this hard, even if it wasn't designed for my learning style. So I tried something unconventional. I opened ChatGPT, went into the new Explore GPTs section, and found a tool called Tutor. It looked simple enough. I copied the first few paragraphs from the course and pasted them in, asking, "Can you explain this to me in a way that's easier to understand?" And it did, instantly, with bullet points, definitions, a whole outline. It felt like magic. But more than that, it felt like support. Now, just so you know, this wasn't a one-day thing. It took me over a week to complete the entire course. I did it piece by piece using Tutor every step of the way. Each time I got stuck, I asked it a question. Each time I lost focus, I asked it to summarize where I left off. And when the content was too simple, I literally typed, "Can you explain this at a college level?" And it adjusted. This tool didn't just repeat facts. It adapted to my needs in a way that no traditional classroom ever has. So, can AI really replace a tutor? For me, it didn't just replace one. It gave me something I never had before. A tutor that listens to how I learn. I finished the course, and I passed. Here's my certificate from the University of Helsinki. I'm not going to pretend I did it all on my own, because I didn't. I had help. But that help wasn't a person this time. It was AI. If you've ever felt like you weren't made for traditional learning, if you've struggled like I have, you need to know. That doesn't mean you're broken. It just means you need better tools. And Tutor is one of them. So try it. Seriously. Even if you just want to learn something new or understand an article better. Copy the text into ChatGPT, scroll down to Tutor and say, "Explain this to me like I'm 5. Summarize this with examples. Make this make sense." You'll be surprised how good it feels when something finally clicks. I'm proud of myself for sticking with this course. And I'm proud to share what I learned, because I know I'm not alone in how I learn. Let's make tech work for us, not the other way around. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, or if you want to see more ways to use AI in real life, especially for learning and self-growth, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I've got more coming your way soon.